Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to open file in new tab in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, I will show you how to download this software first, which is through your browser. Go to the URL section, search for Visual Studio Code, and through here guys, let me just go to images. So make sure that you are not using the Visual Studio, else you are using Visual Studio Code, because there is some huge difference between these two programs. So one of them has code and the other not. The other has like a pink or violet logo, the other is blue. So make sure that you are with the blue one. Now let's go back over here. So here we go, and now we go to this website, which is code.visualstudio.com. So here it is. And now all you need to do is go to download for Windows if you have Windows, or you can just choose whatever system you have, Mac OS or Linux. So just click here and then it will start downloading. After that, it will start installing it on your PC. So in the process of installing, they will ask you to choose the languages that you want to actually learn or use. So make sure to choose all the languages that you think you might need or you think you want to learn, because in the the process of like inside of the software itself, it might be hard later on for you to actually add the language. So make sure that you choose every single language that you think you will need or use in the future. And after that, just create an account and just open the program. So here we go. Now for us to be able to actually open file in new tab, so let's create first a file. So how you can do that? So here it is, new text file or new file. We can do whatever you want. So new text file, and this is a new text file. So here I can type here whatever I want. So in order for you to create a file in a new tab, so you just have to go to do the same thing, which is new text file. And here it is, this is the second text file and it is on a new tab. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually create a new file or open file in new tab. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any other questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and see you in the next tutorial.